Hi everyone. So I just took you through how to switch between the three cases. That is the uppercase, the lowercase, and then the sentence case. So if you haven't watched that video or if you don't know how to do that, just go back to my channel and you will see a way to do that. Now people are asking me questions. What if they want the uppercase letters the same place where the uppercase letters were? Assuming these sales rep, their names were listed in the proper case, now you want the names to be listed in uppercase. That is why you change it from proper case to uppercase. But you want the same uppercase letters to be on the same column, the sales reps column. So what I mostly do is that after changing it from maybe any case it was to the uppercase, I just have to select all the names at once because I want all of them on the sales reps column. So I select all of them, then I'm going to copy. I'm pressing Ctrl and C on the keyboard to copy it. Then after that, I will come here. So I want to paste these names here. If you come here and you paste it directly, you will not get it because these are the same names you change to uppercase. So Excel will tell you that you are making reference to a cell which is a son of the other cell. So this cell was actually converted to this, and now you want to paste this one back to here. It won't work for you. So you just have to come to the paste, then you go to special paste, then you go to paste values. So you select these values, then you click on OK. Now automatically it has worked for you. But if you had just pasted it, Excel will not allow it that way. Thank you.